Hi guys, welcome to Learning TWI the Fun Way with TWI Junior Pro. It's me again, Kwesi, and Reji came back. Hi Reg.
Hi Joseph, how are you?
I'm good.
I'm fine.
Reji has new words, new sentences that he wanted to find out from the previous episode. So I figured why not go to him and sit with him and try and help him out. So what do you want to know?
Okay, I have a few questions, but before we start, I wanted to ask you about saying.
I was saying, wow, man, thanks, you remembered. It's 9 a.m.
Based on the fact that it's 9 a.m. and we're still morning, I wanted to say Maakye.
Wow, okay, this is good. He is really good.
Surprise!
He's really good. It's been a week and he actually achieved that. So, Reji, thank you so much. And
no problem.
Before we start, right, with time-wise, 9 o'clock in TWI is Nnɔnkron, but we'll get into that in next sessions. And 11, like I said last time, is Dubaako. So numbers and everything, we'll get them in the next sessions as time goes. We'll do a whole bunch of other stuff. But thanks for remembering what I was saying is in Maakye.
They were the shortest ones, easiest ones to remember.
Good work. All right, Reg, what do you want to know?
All right. I wanted to ask about pets. I actually got that question from someone. What is a dog or a cat? You know, into it, or do they anglicize it a bit?
No ways. These are you won't probably find in any other language that I know. So a dog is Ɔkraman.
Ɔkraman.
Yeah, Ɔkraman is a dog. Then a cat is Ɔkra.
Ɔkra.
Yeah.
I heard it in one of your videos.
Yes, you did. Yes. You did. In one of my videos, Ɔkra is cat, then Ɔkraman is dog.
All right. I think it was one of your videos when Nat was asking, "Cat, come here," or something.
Yes. All right. That was a very hilarious one.
Ɔkraman and Ɔkra.
Yes.
All right. Weather-wise, having a conversation with someone, I also wanted to know, like, it's hot outside.
Okay.
You know?
All right. To say it's hot outside, one would be like Ewiem. So you can say Ewiem. There are different ways of saying it. So Ewiem is sky or cloud or something, right?
Yeah.
So the atmosphere, Ewiem. Ɛhyew is hot. Anything hot is ɛhyew. So if I come and I say, okay, I'm drifting off now. If I say Wowɔ, that is you're hot, like body temperature wise, as in you're hot.
Okay.
So if you want to say it's hot outside, you say Ewiem. So Ewiem means sky, Ɛhyew meaning it's hot. Or some people will say Ɛhyew. It's like it's hot. Ɛhyew. That's like a shorter version of it. Okay. So in your case, Ewiem. Yes. Surely but surely. Remember, the words are probably up here. If not, you find a description, so don't worry. Even if I drift off, I'll add everything so you know what I was trying to say. So try not to worry. All the words will be translated in English, either at the top here or in the description if you don't find it there. All right, bro. What else do you want to know?
Now that we know what hot is, let's try cold.
Cold?
Yes.
Okay. Cold is Ewiem. Ewiem is cold.
Okay.
So let's say I come in and I'm like, Reji, I go to your bathroom, I want to take a shower.
Yeah.
Or I want to open the tap. It's better to use water.
Yeah.
Because water is either hot or cold. It's better that way. So if water is Nsuo, in my language, Nsuo is water. So if I go to the bathroom and I open the tap or your kitchen, it's hot. I'll say Nsuo no she. Meaning the water is hot. If I want to say it's cold, I'll say Nsuo no. So Nsuo no. Nsuo is water. No is basically saying this water. Then cold will be new. So Nsuo no. Or Nsuo no she. Yes. Yes.
Right. I'm trying to use it in a language, in a sentence too.
Not bad. What else?
Last time I asked about time, of course. Yeah, coolest sentence ever. This time I wanted to ask about location, place.
Oh yeah.
If I wanna find you, let's say I showed up in Ghana unexpectedly, and I wanted to ask, where are you, or where am I? What would the question sound like?
So if you, let's say, for argument's sake, you're in Ghana and you visit me and I'm not there at the house and you're like, where are you?
Yes.
You'd say, who is you?
Yeah.
In Twi, right?
Yeah.
So you say, wowɔ hene. What is like, who is you? What is basically depends on the context how you put it.
Yeah.
So hene is like a location.
Yeah.
So it's wowɔ hene. Where are you? Yeah, so if you give me a call, Kwesi, wowɔ hene?
Yeah.
Basically saying, Kwesi, where are you? Yes. Now, if we're in a place and you don't know where it is, and you're asking me where we are, you'd say, yeah, because yeah is us.
Yes,
yeah. Yɛwɔ hene. So you replace the wo with yeah. So yɛwɔ hene. So you'd say, Kwesi, yɛwɔ hene.
Where are we?
Where are we?
All right.
Then that's it. Then depending, if I want to respond to Yɛwɔ hene, I'll be like, Reji, Yɛwɔ. I don't know what to say. I'll just say Reji, Yɛwɔ, then I'll replace whatever I want to say at the end. So I'm saying Reji, we are, then the location.
Yeah. Let's say Reji, we are in Accra.
Yes. Then I'll say Reji, Yɛwɔ, Accra.
Okay.
So Reji, we are in Accra.
Okay.
That's how it is.
All right. Oh, okay. I'll definitely try to use it in a sentence soon. It will be a total surprise.
Yes, it would be. People get shocked.
My friends at work, watch out.
What else? Oh, that's about it.
Yeah, that's the question I had.
Okay. All right. Guys. Well, first of all, Reji, thanks again.
No problem.
He's always awesome. Like I said, you start his channel soon, so I'll have it in the description. And please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to like. Please don't forget to click on the bell button for future notifications. Please add your comments. If I did something or I said something wrong, just let me know, then I'll correct myself. If you want to know anything, just put it on the comment section. Then I'll gladly answer it. Like I said in one of my videos, I'll say out your name, say out your question, then actually translate it on the video, either with Nati or with Reji or whoever I'm with. Then I'll actually have the words in the comment section as well, so you know what's happening. So until next time. Oh, by the way, remember, download the app. Download TWI Junior Pro. It's less than $1. With that and these videos, you'll actually learn quicker. So guys, with that, next time.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.